In this quick LeadPages tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a custom domain to your LeadPages account, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for the entire video. I'll also share a surprise alternative that could make your life easier when using custom domains, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's make sure you're logged into your LeadPages account. Once you're in, head over to the Account Settings section. You'll find us on the left-hand sidebar, just click on it. Now, let's take a look at where we can add that custom domain. Next, under Account Settings, you'll see an option labeled Domains. Click on it. Here, you'll be able to manage any domains linked to your account. If you've never added a custom domain before, this is where it starts. The third thing you want to do is click on Add a Domain. This will bring up a window where you'll need to enter the domain name you want to connect to LeadPages. Make sure you've already purchased the domain through a domain provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap, because you'll need access to your domain registrar's settings. Once you've entered your domain name, hit Add Domain. LeadPages will then give you a few DNS records that you need to add to your domain registrar's settings. Don't worry if you've never done this before. I'll walk you through it next. Next thing, head over to your domain registrar, log in, and find the section where you can manage your DNS settings. This is usually called something like DNS Management or DNS Settings. Here, you'll be adding two records provided by LeadPages, a name record and an A record. These are what will point your custom domain to your LeadPages landing pages. Once you've added the name and a records, save the changes. It might take up to 24 hours for the DNS changes to fully propagate, but don't worry, your custom domain should start pointing to your LeadPages site within that time frame. Now, once the DNS changes have propagated, return to your LeadPages account and click Verify Domain. LeadPages will check to ensure that your custom domain is correctly set up and connected. If everything is done right, you should see a confirmation that your domain is successfully added. The last thing to keep in mind is that you might want to set up SSL, Secure Socket Layer, for your custom domain to make sure your pages are secure. LeadPages offers a free SSL certificate for domains added through their platform, so make sure that's enabled once your domain is verified. So, there you have it. Setting up a custom domain in LeadPages is pretty simple once you know the steps. But before you go, let me mention something crucial. While LeadPages does offer a lot of great features, there are some limitations when it comes to custom domains, especially if you're looking for more robust, all-in-one marketing solutions. And that's where I want to introduce you to a few alternatives that could actually help you accomplish your goals more efficiently. Now, here's the thing. If you're looking for a platform that gives you a more seamless experience with custom domains, I've got a fantastic option for you. Through the link in the description, you can grab an exclusive and extended free trial to this alternative. So if you're serious about getting the most out of your custom domain setup, make sure to check it out. This platform offers better customization, ease of use, and more flexibility than LeadPages. Again, click the link to get the best deal, exclusive benefits, and a free trial that's available only to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your custom domain setup.